How to set up Microsoft Authenticator app on new phone without old phone. Let's get started. First, we need to get the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on a new phone. Head over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and download the app Microsoft Authenticator. Now you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Tap Sign In and on the next screen, enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Tap Next to continue. Normally, Microsoft would ask you to check the Authenticator app on your old phone for a verification code. Since you don't have your old phone, we will use an alternative method. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Use your password instead. You will then need to enter your Microsoft account's password to proceed. If you can't use your password for any reason, there is another way. Tap on I don't have access to Microsoft Authenticator app. You will then have the option to receive a verification code sent to one of your alternative email address linked to your Microsoft account. Select the email address you have access to and Microsoft will send the code. Once you receive it, enter it into the app to continue. In some cases, Microsoft may require you to provide a security code or update your security information. If you need to update your security info, follow the instructions provided on screen. This may take up to 30 days, so be prepared for a waiting period. You might also need to reset your Microsoft account's password. To do this, visit the official Microsoft account recovery page. Follow the prompts, and Microsoft will send a code to your alternate email to verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you'll regain access to your Microsoft account and be able to set up the Authenticator app on a new phone. Remember, keeping your security info updated can help prevent similar issues in future. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.